Hi everybody. I'm back for unbox something. Okay, now another box to unbox it. What I got. Got this one. Actually, like this. Corona thinning shear. And another thing is S1 stand. This is Lamicore. S1 stand. I just purchased online. I have never seen outside. I just see the picture online. This one is a universal. It's a universal. Let's see. It's the adjustable stand and all the tables. This the color is silver, so that's a Chinese. That's the Shenzhen something technology. This one is from Shenzhen. Though that's a Japan in China. Anyway, I bought this because I use my iPad to record a video. So sometimes I have to put on the. I have a bunch of books. I stack a bunch of books and I put my iPad in there. So it's a stand too, so I can record a video. But I just found out they have some stand, so I can put my iPad on there to record. It's more convenient and easy then. So here, let's open it. And inside here, that's a box. This box is like a stand. That's one stand. Anyway, yeah. Let me see. Oh, this one they have this stuff, so when you place it down on the table, it's not moving. And let's see. You have to. Okay, here. So you can put your this assemble is the iPad. It uses one like this. In the face iPad on this side, you can put it like this, or you can. I saw they can put the iPad with. Let's see. If you want to record something outside here, you put the back to your iPad. It's assemble. It's not iPad. So you want a little bit up. So it's more easy for you to record something under here. So the next time I will use my camcorder or my laptop record to let you see how I use my iPad to record a video. And then this one, I think something. Yeah. Oh, this thing for you to stick on the bottom. So that's they call spare part. And this is a Lamicore something, and then the letter in here in English and Chinese. Once again, I don't know who are they. I just went to the online and then hang around on there, and then I see I just want to let you to see it. Oh yeah, in front. So let's see how it look like. Okay. I think I will make a video show you how I place my iPad in here. It's the actual iPad because right now I use my iPad to record this video, so I cannot use this. My mini iPad. It's not the big iPad, it's a mini. And I believe this fits for the big iPad too. It costs $15. It's not on sale. I think I saw before they on sale or something, but when I buy it, it's a full price. It's $15. If you want to buy this, you can check it out at my website, or probably I place the link below, so you can go from there to get purchase those if you want, or you can explore it. That's all for this one. This one probably most of us probably don't need, but if you do a lot of stuff in your garden, probably you need this. It's not need, but it's help for you to gardening. And Corona. It's a thinning shear. It's yeah. This one. Yeah. A card. Season after season, Corona max, and sharpness, durability, and this one they got there on the back. Okay, let I show you inside first, and then go about the box after. Because I need to lift the iPad up. It's easy to show you. They send their brand right here, Corona, and they have a Glock here, so you can move the put your hand here, move the Glock out, and you cut the branch tree. Okay, I will test this later, but now because I'm inside, it's a red. When I purchased this is around $21. I don't know. Yeah, it's $21. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is round tips prevent blend damage. Yeah, this one they say is round tip, so it's prevent to damage the blend. And this one, these right here, that's a straight and narrow blades to cut in tight spaces. Then this is easy to resharpen blades. This is 1/4 inch. And here the half, there's something right in the corner right here. It's fully forged steel construction for maximum strength. And this is suitable for both right and left hand use. And there's non-slip ribs. And work best for pieces, clean cutting of plants and flowers. This package is 100% recyclable, made from paper and PET. Next is cautions. Sharp blade, always wear eye protection, handle with care, and keep out of reach of children. And here, born in orange groves of Southern California in 1920s, the Corona has a long history of superior design and craftsmanship of premium garden and landscape tools, providing lasting performance for professionals and gardeners who take pride in job well done. Corona tools, season after seasons. So they have Facebook, Twitter, and smartphone, I believe. Okay. Limited lifetime warranty is a Corona warranty. Guarantees this tool will be free of defects in materials and workmanship, and will either repair or replace it if it is found to be defective. So that's a limited warranty. What else there? Where is make? I don't see it. The only place we can find out where it's make it is right here. They stick the sticker here, so not easy to see. And warning this product, I cannot read because I don't see. I don't have my glasses. Okay, this I can read. This product can expose you to chemicals which are known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. For more information, go to www.p64warnings.ca.gov. Yeah, it's easy for you to do it. See. Okay, let me peel this out so you can see. I can see. I find out where I make it. Because now it's shipped to my house, so I can do, but in the store probably I won't do it. So where's make it? Let me see. Corona clipper. Made in Corona's factory in Mexico. Wheel components from USA, Mexico, and Taiwan. Warning: this product contains chemical known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, and or reproductive harm. Okay, so that's all. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next video. Once again, if you want to purchase this by online, you can check out at my website. I will place the link there. Depend on I will you can check on below at description box below, but because you know I want to put on my website rather than there because I don't know. You can check out my website AllchitHow.com. My channel is AllchitHow. That's the website Allchit AllchitHow.com. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.